Hi viewers. So in this video I am going to explain about the if else condition. Okay, so um, let's take year. So whenever I enter some year like 1983 or 1995 or 2004, something like that, so I need to give the output like if the year is 1983, then I need to output like it's a 80 skits, and if the year of birth is 1995, then I need to produce output like 90 skits. If the year of birth is 2004, then I need to output as 2000 kit. Okay, so this is expectation of this program. Okay, so in order to get the year we need an integer, so I name that integer variable as year. And one more precondition is, so whatever year that we are going to give, it will be only, it can be only the 80 series or 90 series or 2000 series. I will not give the year as 1970 or before that, or like 2010, after that 2010 I won't give. So it will be only 80 series, 90 series or 2000 series. So with that preconditions we will write the program. So now I will give some hardcode value here while we run the program. So as of now let it be empty. So int here equal to empty. Now we are going to write the if condition for this one. If year is greater than or equal to 1980 and also year is less than or equal to 1989. So what I am trying to check here is that whatever year that we are going to give, that year, if it is greater than 1980 or less than 1989, then that particular kit is a 80 kits. Okay, so I will be printing out like this: system.out.println. He or she has to be a 80 kits. If not, then we need to write a if else condition. If that condition is not met, so we are going for the other choice. We are checking the other condition like whether he or she is a 90 skits or not. Okay, 90, 99, then we will be printing like he or she is a 90 skit. Okay, else has to be what? Has to be a 2000 kit. So here we no need to check for the year condition, directly we can say has to be 2000 kit, because the year which in our precondition itself I have said like I'll be giving only the 80 series or 90 series or 2000 series. So already we have checked for the condition 80, and also for the 90 we have given the condition. So if these two doesn't match, then obviously it has to be a 2000 kit. Okay, so now let us give some hardcode values like 1993. I'm going to give 1993. I'm going to save the program and I'm going to run as Java application. So here you can see, so the year of birth is 1993, so it has to be a 90 kit. If I give like 87, again I am saving the program and I am running as Java application. So here you can see 80 kit. Now if I give 2000, saving the program, running, it has to be a 2008 because these two conditions already not matched. 2000 is not greater than or equal to 1980 and 2000 is not less than or equal to. Likewise, it will come to else condition and here it will check whether that 2000 is greater than 1980. Yes, it is greater than 1980, but it has to be less than 1999. But the condition is not true, so it will go to the else part and it will print statement. Thanks.